Question 9. Jack wants to find how far people live from their nearest supermarket. He uses this question on a questionnaire. How far do you live from your nearest supermarket? 0 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 5 to 6. So we're going to start off by writing down 2 things that are wrong with this question. Well, there's many things that are wrong with the question, so I'll give you a few of those and I'll write 2 down. First of all, you should see that it doesn't tell us what the unit is, so there's no units of measure given how far do we live in miles or metres, so on. Then we've got what are called overlapping response boxes, so if I lived 2 miles, let's say it is, from the supermarket, would I put my answer in the first box or the second box? That would be difficult to know that. You could really put it in either, which would cause confusion, so we've got overlapping response boxes. And what if you lived more than, say, 6 miles? Where do you put your answer? So the 2 that I'll put in then are overlapping response boxes and no box for distances over 6. So part 2, Jack also wants to find out how often people go shopping. Write a question Jack could use on his questionnaire to find out how often people go shopping. And what we need to do here is make sure we don't make any of the mistakes that were made in the example. So I'll do this on another slide. So the question then is, how often do people go shopping? So I'll write that out to start with. So I've written the question, how many times do you go shopping in a week? So you must specify a time period, or it'll be confusing to the person who's responding. So you must make sure, you can say a month if you like, but a week probably sounds sensible. But the main thing is that you do specify a time period. We'll now put in the response boxes. So you can see with my response boxes that it allows 0 and it allows anything over 6 and it allows numbers in between and there are no overlaps. So these boxes will allow the person to put a unique response. They can only respond to one of the boxes and there's no confusion there. So that question is a good question that Jack could use on his questionnaire to find out how often people go shopping.